So you might be in a situation where ChatGPT's image editor isn't working. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically that might mean that anytime you go through and you upload an image within ChatGPT like this, sometimes the image doesn't actually show up or sometimes whatever. Now, number one, you do have to have an account within ChatGPT. So make sure you're actually going through and you're logging into your ChatGPT account, because if you're not, that could very well end up being a problem you might run into. Now, if you do end up having an account and you're logged in and everything like that, the next thing that I'd recommend doing is to go through and make sure that that image that you are uploading and you're updating, you want to make sure that is the image that ChatGPT understands. If I send ChatGPT an image of this like white box, they're not going to really understand it. But if I show them an image of like this dog, that might make a little bit more sense for ChatGPT. So what I can do is I can go ahead and bring in an image that is acceptable in the right format. Most formats are acceptable, but you also want to be very particular with what you're asking ChatGPT. If I'm going to ask of a prompt, if I'm going to say something like, let me just ask it like, let me just give it microphone access. Okay, I already messed that up. So if I already do this, right? If I already do like while using SAP, make this dog look like a cat. If I go ahead and kind of give it that type of prompt of make this dog look like a cat, I can go and upload that image and then it'll go through and kind of start doing it. So you have to be very exact. If you kind of give it like a ballpark range, it can kind of do the rest, but you're going to have to be a little bit more, I guess, in detail of what you kind of ask it. So make sure you do that. That's kind of the number one thing. If that's still not working, you might want to go through and try making sure that your version of ChatGPT is good and make sure there's no issues with it. And you can do that by either restarting ChatGPT on your web browser, so literally just refresh it, or what you can do is you could just go through and just try updating ChatGPT. So if you have the ChatGPT application already up, you can try looking for it and try updating it, and that could be another thing that might end up fixing the problem too. So try doing that. Those are kind of the main things I'd recommend doing here for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solon.